Hey guys, so we have another unboxing here. So I thought this was going to be an Amex, and I thought I did a lot of unboxing of Amexes recently, so I wasn't planning on making a video on this box either. But when I opened the tab, I noticed that it was a Jordan, and the box is just really cool. So yeah, I decided we can have our first look together. So let's get into it. So as you can see, it's an Air Jordan, what's this, 35 low Luka. I actually ordered this maybe in September or October, and yeah, it got delivered now. Sometimes Nike delivers to me in like 7 to 10 days, and sometimes they take months. So yeah, but what's nice is that if one thing is outstanding, they won't just hold the box, they'll send what's available. So as you can see, this is made in Vietnam. It's UK 6 for men and women, Euro 40. Yeah, so you can see why I thought the box looked quite cool. I know the shape of the shoe because I bought a few. I bought a red one as well, and a white and gold. The white and gold I got maybe in August. I think that was called Glory SE. The red one I got maybe about a week ago, and yeah, today I got this one. So I know the shape of it, but I can't remember the color. Let's see. Oh, this is such a cool box. This is such a premium looking box. I hope they put this much of effort in the shoe and there's no, glue or defects here and there. Wow, this looks cool, hey? It's weird. The other two boxes were not like this. The gold one is a different sort of box. I can't really remember the red one. Yeah. Not sure if you can see that, but the plastic in there is I don't know if it's supposed to be cut like that. It's supposed to have some design to it, but is it supposed to look... This side looks a bit neat, this side a little bit untidy. But in any case, we'll have to compare the second shoe. Chow. Oh, the tongue is super cool. And it's so soft. So the front is like a leathery vibe. But the inside is super padded. Oh, and there's so much of padding here as well. I guess this will be a great shoe just to wear, as well as maybe a basketball shoe. The shoe just looks like it needs a blade here, and then you should be able to go skating with it. It has that vibe to it. Yeah. I'm really taken by the box though. The box is super cool. Oh, and as you can see, it says engineered for flight. So the shoe was actually also quite expensive. Maybe about $220, I think. So not really cheap. I actually had called Nike up at one point to ask them where's my shoe, and they said don't worry, we can refund you. And I said no, hold on, I don't want the refund. I actually would like the shoe, so just let me know when you guys will be getting it. So yeah. Oh, why is this not scented? That's a bit irritating, hey? It's oh, there we go. It's more or less scented now. Okay, so you just have to move the tongue around a little bit. And this thing keeps on farting. Okay, so let's look at the quality of the shoe. Wow, this actually is really good quality, eh? So it's one of those shoes you pay for what you get. Yeah, you can hardly even see the glue here actually, and if you're looking at it from, this is not even far, you can't really see it. And this looks super cool, out of this world. Zoom. It's so futuristic, and you know the nice thing about the shoe is, so even though it's so loud, it could work for a guy or a girl. It's quite hard on the outside and super padded and soft on the inside. Wow, I think this will make a really cool basketball shoe, hey? The laces are also very cool, and they printed on both sides, so that doesn't really make a difference. I mean, which side you have your lace on, and there's something there in braille. Maybe it says Zoom, I don't know, but that's quite cool. I'd actually like to know the story of how come this one has braille on it. It's so cool because this part is like so soft, and this part is, well, it's not hard, but it is relatively harder, so like protective. Oh, and look how soft the leather is though. I'm really pushing it in here. Do people really hurt their feet when they play basketball? I'm not sure. I don't really play that sport, so just wondering. And it has a little tag. That's a little tag here, the top. So in any case, this is your view from the bottom, from the side, the back, the other side. If you are looking down, and my favorite view, when someone is talking to you. The colors here really do pop, eh? Wow, it's a really good looking shoe. I'm just so like shocked at how futuristic it looks. Like normally when I look at Adidas I get this vibe, but not really from Jordans. Well, this is very close up, and you can notice it is a tad bit untidy. I like that they kept like that one dot of purple there, so they did try. But although, you know what, if it's from far, and this is not even that far, it still looks a bit neater. So this is not aluminium though, this is something softer. I don't know what it is, but it's softer. You have that whole zoom thing happening underneath, and I'm just trying to see whether they both are untidy inside. No, I think it's supposed to be like this, eh? Let's see if my pinky can go in. Oh yeah, it's actually not like sharp. So it was done, they had an idea here. Yeah, it worked out. It looks untidy, but I guess if we had to see what was there properly, it wouldn't. And it's not sharp, so that means they didn't just cut oblong. They had a plan. Okay, cool. So that's another unboxing done. And it's time to put the shoes away now. Oh, this box is super cool. I like that they gave white paper inside. They didn't overdo it with the colors. Oh, I didn't notice this earlier, but you can actually see a little bit of the box inside. Yeah, so the white looks pretty cool. Although, just my personal opinion, if they're given this color, maybe a bit of orange on the back here would have looked cool. But not the whole paper being orange, because I don't think that color would have gone well with unwrapping the shoe. So maybe just put a backing here of orange. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion, I guess. I also know orange is not really a color for everyone, although the starfish seem to have been doing quite well, actually super well. I couldn't even manage to get a pair for myself. Yeah, okay, I hope you liked this unboxing, and hopefully I'll get a bigger shipment soon and the videos will become longer again.